Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Pisces. Pisces people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Pisces, in this reading, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings, and in last we are going to see some handwritten love notes from your partner. Okay, let's see what they wants to tell you. Right, Page of Swords, the Hierophant in reverse. Pisces people, this is your current energy. Page of Swords. You guys are being somebody who is very energetic towards something. You have started something new, project in your life. You are working really hard regarding something, or on some very crucial or very some important projects of your life right now, right? And you are being somebody who doesn't want to talk right now with anyone, who is in their own energies, who just want to take action, and who is taking action towards the life. Okay, so you are being somebody who is not listening to anybody else right now. You are just focusing on your work, you are just focusing on your growth, you are just focusing on your particular project, whatever you are doing right now. I believe you have done your homework. Now it is the time for the execution, because this person has the sword in his hand. That means this person is ready to take action. You have done your homework, you have done your part. Now you are just waiting for the correct time to take action. I also feel, Pisces, for you that you are being very particular about this project, because you do not want to miss this opportunity. You feel that this is the lifetime opportunity which you are going to experience in your life, or whatever you are doing right now. You feel that if I'll miss this chance, I'll miss a lot of things in life. So it's like a do or die situation for you, Pisces. So you are completely focused, you are completely determined, you are completely stable. You have done your part, you have done your homework. You are now ready to take action. The moment, you are just waiting for the right time right now. The moment you'll get, or you'll understand that yes, this is the moment, now I have to take action, you will definitely going to take action. And as I said, this is going to be a do or die situation for you. And if we talk about from relationship perspectives, yes, for relationship perspective, I also feel the same, that you have done your part. Now you are waiting for the correct time. Perhaps you guys are not talking to each other, perhaps you and your person, there is a lot of miscommunication, lot of distance, lot of uh, gap, emotional gap is there in your between you and your partner. Now I feel that you have done your introspection, you have done your part. Now you are waiting for the correct time, right? I feel that the moment you feel that okay, now I can talk to my person, now I'm stable, now I'm healed, I can talk to that person, then definitely I'm going to take action, right? So Pisces, this is your current energy. Now let's see what's your partner's current energy. The Hierophant. Discussions has been over. Meetings has been over for your person. I feel that your person was not sure about something or certain things in life. It could be you. It could be you. Perhaps they were not sure about you. Perhaps they were not sure about how they can, move ahead in this relationship, or perhaps they were not sure about how this relationship is going to work. They took a break from you, Pisces. They took a small pause in this relationship. Okay, I feel that they have taken some guidance, they have taken some counseling sessions, they were discussing about you within their family and friends, they were talking about you, they were thinking about you, right? And now I feel that they have done their part. Okay, okay, they have taken all the guidance from all the people, but yes, I feel this person is alone. Excuse me. This person is alone, this person has done their part, this person has taken all the necessary guidance, they have discussed about you within their family and friends. Now they are thinking to come towards you, now they are planning to come towards you. Now they are, perhaps they are just analyzing all the discussions whatever they did in past or whatever they are doing right now. Okay, so a lot of introspection, I would say, that kind of energy I'm feeling for your partner. Okay, so one thing is for sure, that you guys are not in talking terms. There is less communication or zero communication, and both of you have done your homework, both of you have uh, you know done your part. Now both of you are waiting for the correct time. Okay. We have Death card and Six of Swords. Death card is, I feel that something new is coming, new or old patterns are ending right now. Some new patterns are arriving in your life. I feel that they are coming towards you, Pisces, with the Six of Swords. Perhaps they were being somebody who ditched you or who ghosted you in past. Now they have, as I said, that they have done their part. They have taken the guidance, they have taken the counseling sessions. Perhaps they are coming towards you with the Six of Swords card. I'm putting these two cards here, okay? So with this Death card and Six of Swords card, I feel your person is coming towards you. They have done, I mean, they are done with their old patterns of their life. Now they want some new things in life. They want some, they need some fresh air. And I feel that they are coming towards you with the Six of Swords card. They are definitely coming towards you. And not, I mean, they are not coming alone. They are bringing their uh, good karmas with them, plus perhaps some of them are really bringing their family along with them. Okay, this person is not coming alone, this person is coming with somebody else. It could be their family member, it could be their friend, it could be anyone. This person can be anyone, but that is for sure, this person, your person, is coming towards you because they are done with their old life patterns. They just want to start something new. They want to see a new day, and I'm 101% sure that your person is definitely going to be with you. That's why they are coming towards you. Queen of Wands. Okay. Oh my god, oh my god. So Pisces, those were the cards for their action, just to interpret their action towards you. And these are the cards regarding your actions towards them. Okay, so we have Queen of Wands, Ten of Cups, and Wheel of Fortune. From the beginning of this reading, I am keep on saying that you are waiting for the correct time to take action, right? And yes, with this Queen of Wands card, I feel that you are seeing them, that they are coming towards you. You are seeing them from a distance, that yes, okay, my person is coming towards me. Okay, and even though there is no communication between you people, but yes, there is some connection between you two. There is a heart to heart connection between you two, because you feel happy in their presence, you cherish their presence, you feel joy in their presence. Okay, you feel a sense of completion is there whenever they are around you. Okay, that's why you're feeling happy, blessed, fortunate, fortunate with their company, or within their company, right? Wheel of Fortune is saying to me that your time has arrived, your time has come. Okay, they have also, started taking action towards you. They are also coming towards you. Perhaps they will take some little more time to come forward you. Okay, that okay, now I should talk to my Pisces people right now, or perhaps in a day or two they are definitely going to make a call to you, or perhaps they are going to take any specific action towards you, right? On the other hand, we have Queen of Wands. If I talk about you also waiting for them. You also, wants to hear from them. You also want to know what is happening in their life. What are they doing? Okay, what are they feeling about you? What they were feeling about you when you guys were not in talking terms. Okay, but yes, when the moment will arrive, as I told you with this Wheel of Fortune, you are definitely going to take action. Perhaps this time you are not going to scold them, or perhaps this time you are not going to fight with them or argue with them. This time you are being more uh, empathic, right? You are being more gentle towards them. You will be more humble towards them, that it's okay if whatever they have done, you are uh, perhaps you are going to forgive them. So yes, so if they come towards you, you are definitely going to take action towards them. You are definitely going to be humble with them. You are definitely going to listen them, and you are definitely going to understand their point of view also, right? Okay, let's see how you see them and how they see you. How you see them and how they see you. Okay, so with this Eight of Swords card, you see them as somebody who is um, very fearful. This person is very, very fearful. You see them as somebody who does not want to uh, do anything on their own. You feel that this person depends on other people. This person is very much into their own comfort zone. This person does not want to take any action for their own life. Okay, there is a fear within their heart and mind. That's how you see them, that okay, this person has some serious concerns, this person has serious issues with them. Okay, so yes, probably that's the reason that they are not the one who are, they are being very, very stuck in their comfort zone. On the other hand, Pisces, your person sees you as Five of Swords. They see you as a warrior, Pisces. They see you as somebody who knows how to, how to get what you want. Okay, you are being somebody who fights for their own rights, who fights for their own life. Okay, you are somebody who takes action, who believes in take action, right? So that's how they see you, Pisces. Okay, now I'm going to take one angel guidance for you, and we are also going to see what is going on within their heart and mind for you, Pisces. What is their secret love message for you, right? But before that, I'm going to see what is angel guidance for you. Angel guidance for Pisces people, please. Angel guidance for Pisces people, please. Forgiveness. Forgiveness, Pisces. With this card, I feel that angels are trying to tell you is that, as I told you, you are going to be very, very humble with them. If they are going to apologize to you, you are definitely going to forgive them. So in that process, angels are asking you to to seek forgiveness from them. And if they are if they are feeling sorry, if they are uh, apolo- uh, their apologies are genuine, then please forgive them as well. Okay, after all, we all are human being, and we uh, make mistakes. That's our nature, we can't change it, right? So this was the angels messages for you. Now let's see what your person wants to tell you secretly. I'm going to pick few handwritten love notes for you. Let's see what your partner wants to tell you, or what your person wants to tell you. Okay. Secret love notes for Pisces from their person's side. Secret love notes for Pisces from their person's side. Okay. So first message from them to you is the good things in life are better with you. I hope you can read this. Okay, I'll put it here. Second secret love note for Pisces. Okay, got it. You mean the world to me. You mean the world to me. Your person, perhaps they have not told you such lines, okay, but yes, deep down in their heart they know what you are for them, right? Okay. Your love is all I'll ever need. Pisces, they need you. They need you. I feel that this person is like a little shy or afraid. See what your person is saying. I wish you were here, or I was there, or we were together anywhere. I cannot live without you. Pisces, your person cannot live without you. Okay, okay, okay. I will love you always. I will love you always, Pisces. That's your person's message for you. And the last message for Pisces. I cannot wait to be with you again. It's not that they don't love you or they don't have any emotions for you, Pisces. They have, but perhaps they have their own situations or you know, challenges in their life. That's why they feel uncomfortable, or they don't open up their heart in front of you. Okay, you need to talk to them the moment they'll come in your life. Please forgive them, and please make communication with them. Please talk to them, right? Okay, so Pisces, I feel that some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Page of Swords, Six of Swords, Eight of Swords, and Five of Swords. Some of you could be dealing with Taurus as well in this reading, in this relationship. So we have Hierophant for that. And with this Death card, we have Scorpio also in this reading. Some of you could be dealing with Scorpio. Some of you could be dealing with fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Queen of Wands. And water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this 10 of Cups. Right? Okay. So Pisces people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye-bye.